amazing. And I'd just like to emphasize again, 66% of your profits going back to the foundation. That's so impressive. And that must be exciting in itself. But when you're on your way to work or flying around the world, coming to events like this, what gets you excited personally about your job?
I think, I'm always looking at the impact, right? See, we work in 160 countries. We employ 260,000 people outside of our community of 1.7 million members on Topcoder platform, which we will talk about in a bit. So I think the exciting part about my job, and essentially what we do, is impact. How can we make our people's lives better, our employees' lives better? There are many ways we have been able to create easier, seamless experience, for example, for our employees using AR and VR, augmented reality tech, where our employee onboarding experiences will be, and we're launching it shortly, much more easier, smoother. Imagine you have a new employee, a new customer joining your massive campus, and they're trying to navigate their way. How will they know where to get their badge first, their laptops, their orientation? And the idea here is, as an example, technology, our commodity-based augmented reality experienced application that helps our employee get productive on day one. So that's one. The second is, I can go on and on, but the idea there is around how do you leverage technology on a constant basis to be able to then drive that impact.